Welcome to TechTether. How to set up a Frontier router. Gently remove the Frontier router from the package box. Go to the bottom of the router and locate the Wi-Fi network name and password. Using a pen, write down the Wi-Fi network name and password. Alternatively, you can use your phone to take a picture of it. You will need these sign-in details when you finish the installation. Put the router in the central position in your home. A central place allows the signals to spread evenly in your home or office. Power on your router and sign in with your Wi-Fi device using the Wi-Fi network name and password. Thanks for watching.